Hi everyone, welcome back. I'm going to show you how I make my Oats soap bar. This is one of the bars I sell on my website. It is a very moisturizing bar of soap and I make it with colloidal oats. Colloidal oats is great for soothing a dry, itchy skin, and it has so many other amazing benefits. So I'm just going to show you my process. This is a cold process soap bar. If you've never made cold processed soap, please check the description box. I'll have some helpful videos and information for you. So let's jump right in. And if this is your first time watching any of my videos, my name is Esther and I make DIY natural hair and skincare videos. So for my soap, I use shea butter and cocoa butter, and I'm melting that down. While it's melting, I'm going to measure out my carrier oils, my plant oils, and my first oil is olive oil. Of course, you can use any other oil of your choice, but olive oil is one of the best oils to use when making soap. Next is avocado oil. This is very moisturizing for dry skin. Other options are sunflower oil, sweet almond oil, apricot oil. There's so many great options for soap, and I'm using castor oil as well. This is very moisturizing, but it also adds moisturizing qualities to your soap and improves the lather. So my shea butter and cocoa butter has melted, and I'm just going to add that into my plant oils that I've just measured out. So I already made my lye solution. I have other soap videos showing how I make my lye solution, but I have it ready and I'm going to mix it into my oils. I like to make my soap between 85 to 95 degrees Fahrenheit. That is just my preference. So I'm using my stick blender and I'm just going to add my lye solution now. I'm only going to mix until I get to a light trace. I don't want to mix too much. I don't want to have a thick mixture. And I'm also going to add some other ingredients as well. And a quick reminder, I have set up the next dates for our January classes, our Making Skincare Beginner classes, and the registration link will be in the description box. And it will have all the information for the classes if it's something you want to take. I'm going to split my batch into 2 containers. I have 2 soap molds that I'm going to be filling up. And to this, I'm going to add in my colloidal oats. If you don't have colloidal oats, just grind up some oatmeal. Just grind it till it's very fine and smooth. And once I've added this in, I'm just going to mix till it's well combined. I'm adding in some titanium dioxide just to lighten up my soap mixture. The fragrance oil tends to discolor to brown. I'm adding in my fragrance oil next. This fragrance oil tends to accelerate trace and it also thickens up my soap batch. So after adding it in, I'm going to use my stick blender now to mix in my colloidal oats, the fragrance oil, get everything well mixed, well combined. Now I'm ready to pour into my soap molds. I don't do anything fancy with this soap. I just pour my soap mix into my molds and then I use the lighter color on top, the one that I lightened up with titanium dioxide. because with this soap bar it does discolor to brown because of the fragrance oil. So I'm just tapping to remove any air bubbles, and then I'm just going to pour the lighter color on top. That's the one with the titanium dioxide. You can see how thick it's gotten, so I'm just going to pour that on top, and then I'm going to do some swirls. I'm going to put away my soap molds for 48 hours before I unmold. And this is what the soap is looking like. It did discolor to brown because of the fragrance oil, so just be aware of that. If you're choosing a fragrance oil, just pay attention to if it's going to discolor your soap. But this smells amazing. It's a nice oatmeal vanilla scent. So I'm just going to cut into my bars, and I'm going to show you what the inside looks like. And this is what it's looking like. With cold processed soap, you want to let it cure for at least 4 weeks. 4 weeks before you use. That produces a harder bar of soap, and it will let your soap bar last longer. But I have these soap bars on my website. If you are interested in shopping for these, they are available right now on sale. And I'm going to also show you the lather test of these soap bars after 4 weeks. The beauty of making your soap bars is you know what ingredients you're using exactly. You can customize your ingredients to suit your skin type, and it feels amazing on your skin. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Hang on for the lather test, and if you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to subscribe, turn on your notifications so you don't miss any new videos I upload, and also please like this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.